Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. Would you like to replace that empty feeling inside you with a deep sense of peace, passion, and purpose? Are you hoping that your life will not only be successful but significant? Are you ready to have the very best within you shine through and create a rich legacy in the process? If so, this potent little book, with its powerful life lessons and its gentle but profound wisdom, is exactly what you need to rise to your next level of living. Offering 101 simple solutions to life's most frustrating challenges, best-selling author and life leadership guru Robin Sharma will show you exactly how to recreate your life so that you feel strikingly happy, beautifully fulfilled and deeply peaceful. Specific lessons include how to discover your calling, see your troubles as blessings, enjoy the path, not just the rewards, and live fully so you can die happy. This is a truly remarkable book that you will treasure for a lifetime. I think this is the best book I've ever read in the way that it gives so many good advices. After reading, and while reading, this book I put myself together, became more disciplined. For example, it inspired me to wake up earlier in mornings, to go swimming in mornings, to think more positive, etc. While reading this book, I put down some notes, and after finishing reading this book, I continued to read my notes over and over again. I really recommend this book if you need a little push to make some things change in yourself, because it has this amazing power to make you change, unless you don't want it. This book is really worth reading,